Hello artist, welcome back to my channel Focus Art and Craft by Shweta. Today I am teaching you overturn stroke, this one calligraphy for using a 8 basic stroke and some more decorative stroke also. So I am teaching you first stroke because later making for useful very much. Every stroke, see, light pressure to start and moving a right side for heavy pressure with going a downward. You see, I'm not doing a very fast. You speed here maintain like a medium speed, not much more slow, not much more fast. If you want this type of PDF sheets, I will share you my own PDF sheets, not this one. If any doubt, you ask me. Like this, see, minimum one stroke for you practice 20 times is good for you and you learn long time easily. See, this one is basic stroke for starting, like this, down stroke. You see the arrow is going down, so you're moving your hand also one by one slanting way. This one using a basic letter brush pen for very easy for you, one by one. I have uploaded my video continue 30 days and I will teach you basic to advanced course this brush pen calligraphy according all things easily. Bye. Thanks for watching this video.